Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing investing for beginners, covering the fundamentals and tips to get you started. So let's dive right in. Investing is a way to grow your wealth over time by putting your money to work. It's important to understand some key concepts before you begin. First, let's talk about compounding. Compounding is when your investments generate returns, and those returns are reinvested to generate even more returns. This can lead to exponential growth over time. Next, diversification plays a crucial role. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can help reduce risk. Now, let's talk about risk tolerance. Every investor has a different level of comfort with taking risks. It's important to understand your risk tolerance and align your investments accordingly. Another important element is setting investment goals. Define what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education. Research is crucial when it comes to investing. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options and understand their potential risks and returns. Lastly, it's important to start investing early. The power of compounding and the long-term effects can greatly benefit you in the future. Don't wait. Get started today. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be discussing investing for beginners.